Welcome to BPO interview tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting video continuing the topic on Versant writing test. Don't miss to share, subscribe the channel and click on bell icon. So today we will learn about the dictation samples. In dictations we will see certain examples like what we will get. So note the questions may vary in multiple examination because AI might take the answers differently. So below are the examples you can see, guys, like I have agreed with you. So these are the samples, guys. You will get English tone, I can say, like someone in the background will speak and you have to just listen that words very carefully. So what you have to do is you have to check all these words, you have to listen it out, because what happens for our Indians is we will miss out few things. For an example, like you can see the sixth point where it can say that I do love to go. They will say somewhere like I love to go. They will not go with this do word because it will be their I can say the way of the speaking. Okay, so please check out all these examples, and definitely this will help you in cracking your dictation test very easily. So you can see here I have to agree with you, I will be finished by this Friday. Guys, one more thing you need to remember, if they are telling I will be, then you need to add IWILL. If they are telling like I'll be finished by the Friday, then you have to write in the same way, which you can see in the 16th example. So these are the few things you need to remember, but here the main thing you need to understand is practice. Listen more and more, you will get many information, many videos which will show the examples of live samples on how they will speak, and we have to gauge are we understanding this point very clearly or not. Check out, guys, there are many more examples I have added. You can see like do you live here, report any computer issues to technical support, it's raining at a moment, they'll say it's raining at a moment, the will seems very slowly. You have to listen this very clearly, guys. So there are 75 examples I recently added. Definitely this will help you in cracking the dictation round. In upcoming video I will also add some samples with the voice notes as per the examination point of view, so that you will get all the information very clearly. Check out more examples. You can see when is the game, the presented a plan to reduce the large debt. And one more thing, guys, all these examples you will find repeated questions, repeated dictation you will find over the exam. So please make sure you will check out all these 75 very clearly, make a note of everything, so that you can crack this particular portion very easily. So these are the certain more examples you can see, like having a pet can reduce stress, I agree with you, I'll be finished by Friday, I don't have any information. Guys, these are all the examples. You have to read it out so that you can crack the interview very easily. So still, if you have any doubt, let me know. Check out our playlist, you will find all the videos on quality trainer, Six Sigma certification and all, and check out our Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn page. You will get information on all the upcoming vacancies. Don't miss to share and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.